Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's 2020. I hope everybody had a great New Year's, and I hope you're focused on all of your goals that you have going on. With the new year, I am starting a new series. It's going to be on Mondays, and it is a Movement Mondays. It's going to be a weekly workout for you guys. You're going to need very, very minimal equipment. Actually, all you're going to need is just a jump rope and yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy this series starting next Monday. I have also started a Facebook group. It's called Optimal Life. I will link it below. And goodness, hair's all on my face. I will link it below. It is going to have organizational tips, motivational tips, workout tips, anything that you need to make you live your optimal life. In 2020, we are going to hit those goals that you set last year, that you set in 2018. We're here to get it done, and how we're going to do it is focus on little changes every single day, like getting out and getting your movement in. So I hope you guys enjoy this new series. It does start next Monday. I'm super pumped for it, and I hope you are too. So go to the store. Rise is very excited. Did you guys hear him? So go to the store, get your jump rope, and let's get going next Monday. Also hit that like button down below on that Optimal Life Facebook group, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.